Welcome to Ogbaski TV channel. Ogbaski TV channel is all about the everyday event in our society, both within Africa and Africans in diaspora. The world is full of ups and downs, but this channel brings out the best to heal depression and frustration. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to press the notification bell to receive fresh and new videos as they drop on a daily basis. Bye.
You understand? Which is okay. God knows it's okay. We don't mind, because at the end of the day, Kintiwa, Abi, you know what is our own? Kintiwa, really. So now, this morning, he has decided, or since I don't know when he did this video, he decided to disturb the world. So people are like me now, I'm not concerned. Is he okay, or he has gone gagagu based on the card they gave him? Shoti crazy? Is he normal? She want to check his body temperature. She ko ní akọ ibà. Do you understand? Because I don't know if it is photo shoot. Gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ yìí sìn a ṣì ń béèrè ni o. Kò yé wa, kò yé èmi tí mo fẹ́ analyse ìdí igwe that I saw. I saw his yash. His yash is the size of a newborn baby yash on the body of an adult. Ìdí man yẹn ó rí roboto báyìí bí fufu. I don't know why they call Tohun's yash bad fufu. Fufu tó ti pẹ́ lé. Ìdí ẹ̀ kéré báyìí, you know when they are still taking care of children. And he has used tura. Ó ti lo bleaching cream. Are you people getting me? I don't know if it's the people that videoed him that decided to be wicked like that, because already he has decided to disturb our eyes with his nudity. It's unfair on us. He's the one giving us nightmare. It didn't make sense. Yeah, he went naked not for acting. Yeah, his career now. He went naked on the media, or whoever videoed him. I don't know the discoloration they did on his yash. We were seeing his vein like this. Thunder was coming out from his yash. The mannerism, in which this guy have decided to bully us with his nudity, is cause for concern. This man called Olaiya, a veteran, at least what kind of example is he telling all this Kolade, Femi, Bello, all of them, Yomi Fashlaso? What role model is he? Nítorí nǹkan tí máa yìí máa jẹ. It's everybody that have gone through poverty at one time or the other. It's not the first to be poor. Tí ìṣẹ́ tó mú ní ẹ̀mí àti ara. He now came out after he chased cloud that people are after him or they are abusing him. This man gave him a car. We don't know if it is from Tinubu. They gave him a car. He went, he dobale, he prostrated with his chest on the floor, put his chin on the road. He can't do, we can't see he has done that for God, though, but he did it for a human being. Bínú, because kò kàn wá ìgbésí ayé ẹ̀ ni. Now, he then went further as an actor. Torí we are reporting him to his demigod, to Remi Tinubu, to what's our daddy's name? Ahmed Bola Tinubu, and we are reporting him to MC Oluomo. We don't know what you people have done to him. If it's the ritual that you people have, if it's the one Tefirubo, take him away from our space. He now went to the sea. I have not seen that sea before in my life. Maybe it's Babish. Maybe it's Lekki Beach. Maybe it's this beach, the other one that they always call, that they said is far, Takwabi Abiu. I can't remember the name. That is so better than Babish, Lekki Beach. And there's another one. He went there with his nyash, the two nyash is not equal. One is smaller than one. You understand? He was naked. We saw his body. The body is very large like this. Even gan àwọn mami water ò rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Àwọn ọkọ mami water wo ò rí bẹ́ẹ̀. I don't know why mermaid they don't come out to shop those kind of people. Wo ò rí àwọn nǹkan tó yẹ kí wọ́n gbé lọ nìyẹn. Àwọn abomination to the eye ní ìlú wa. He now went to what's the name of Yemoja to go and disturb the peace of Oluweri with his willy because in that when the ara was sawing, we just saw one thing to see ara báyìí. I think it's Okoni àti rí because kò wọ pátá. He didn't wear putu. The man did not wear pants, kò wọ pátá. Kò wọ putu báyìí sí ìdí mi ò ríru ẹ̀rí látijọ́ since we have been doing politics. In fact, even the worst politics so far, we have not seen people that will tackle Olaiya tí ó máa fẹ́ kú bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn tó ya wèrè tó yẹn tí orí wọn tó gba ilẹ̀ gidi gan. We have never seen it before. This man have come to embarrass Nollywood and to cause trouble for all of us. In fact, the mannerism in which he went by it is more or less disturbing we housewives and women. Báwo ló ṣe máa gbé okó ẹ àti díẹ̀ ìwọ baálé ilé ìwọ bàbá àwọn ọmọ ìwọ known actor you brought it out ní gbangba títì bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn in solidarity to a man that has his wives, he has younger brothers, he has known politicians that are all campaigning for him. Àmàrí FFK kó jáde kó gbé okó ẹ̀ síta. Àmàrí MC Olúọmọ kó jáde kó gbé okó àti díẹ̀ síta because of poverty. How can you come out? Because I'm not advising him. I'm only saying that he has disturbed us with his shape, his nyash, his willy, and also disturbed Oluweri, and he has disturbed Oluokun. He's a public disorder. He should be arrested if he's not mad, yo. When you people check on him, tí ó bá ń ṣe pé ó ya wèrè o. If it's normal, because a gbọ́dọ̀ máa rò ó. Except it is photo shoot o pé ìbàjẹ́ ènìyàn. Àbí wọ́n gbé bọ́dí ẹ̀, wọ́n wá lọ gbé ìdí ẹlòmíì sí ni. Kí ló ń wá kiri? What is he even looking for? If the amount this nakedness he portrayed or gave to the whole world, he can do it for himself. By now, at least he will be a successful actor. Kóhun náà tiẹ̀ naked fún ẹ̀mí ara tiẹ̀. He should go and meet Oluweri àti Oluokun that they should help him. Àìgbésí ayé òun ò make sense. I believe they would do something for him. At least, if nothing at all, they will make him a successful actor. Where at least that man must have wife. He must have children. He now brought his nyash. Do you people see his abala idikokon? Yash, he not even get so. You can imagine the distaste he went to give to Oluweri Oluokun today or yesterday that he did this shaligan. This is the height of irresponsibility, very ugly shape. Very ugly shape. The shape very irritating. But I don't even know. Say Olu. I only thought that the mistake that God made, God doesn't make mistake. The angel that God assigned to do him is his nose. That they did not do the nose where they made it too big. So the oxygen that we are taking, he will be taking 2-3 times the oxygen. Ìyẹn nìkan làlébù tí mo rí bí o tiẹ̀ mọ̀ pé ibi tó ti ń lo bleaching cream kò tiẹ̀ bó ìdí ẹ̀ tòrótòró. His nyash is very ugly. I didn't know the man is ugly like that. I don't think say this thing now.
Come back. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.